Are you tired of the tiny, hard-to-read default font in Wikipedia's editor? Learn how to switch to a comfortable custom font in under a minute. I'll walk you through the Preferences menu, show you where to find the editor font settings, and help you pick your perfect style. All right, let's get started by clicking on your personal settings. Then, go ahead and open up Preferences. Once you're in Preferences, click on the Editing tab. Then, navigate to the Editor section to find the font options. Click the Font Style drop-down. Pick a font that looks good to you. Finally, hit Save, and you're all set. Thanks for watching. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.